IDBL qualifying rounds. Lane 1. Coal Traverse. Trunk / pickup 3 class. Lane 2. Cody Sical. SUV / minivan 1 class. Competitors stand by.
I have one, so I'm going to have to go steal it. I know I was over here.
So if I threw a headliner in stock, it would bump me down.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Brother!
Time. Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Coal 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Kevin House. Hatchback / wagon 2. 142.8 dB. Lane 2. Brian Ravert. SUV / minivan advanced 3 class. Competitors stand by.
Hey. Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother. This has to wait.
Ready. Set. Go.
You know what you buy it for $60 next door, right?
20 seconds.
Hey, your man's up. Too fat and you put the socks on.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Hold on, Perry. I gotta go up against a bunch of walled cars.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Levi Jones.
Hey, you broke a 40?
SUV / minivan 3. 140.0 dB. Lane 2. Will Libros. Set. Go. 20 seconds.
Ooh, it's close. No, you're good.
10 seconds.
5.
5, 4,
No, you're good.
3.
That's what I take a picture. No, you can be in the shot.
1. Time.
You're fine. You're good. You're good. You're good. Go up there.
Official qualifying scores.
Nice
Lane
job.
1. Howard Blakes Jr. SUV / minivan 3. 148.6 dB. Lane 2. Trevor Hunter. SUV / minivan 3. 145.0 dB. Ready. Set. Go. 20 seconds. 10 seconds.
That's close. Oh, nice.
2K, Tim. 2K.
4, 3,
That's your
2,
new nickname.
1. Time.
No, yours was 26 inches.
That's close.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Official qualifying scores. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Mind your way. No. Feel like a 52 too, you know.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. Jeff Wall. Trunk / pickup 3. 147.3 dB.
You ready?
Lane 2.
Go?
Philip.
Okay.
5.
Okay, Bill, you ready? Ready?
Ready. Set. Go. "20 seconds.
He's doing 93. Get it, Joe, get it. Got it, got it.
What's going on?
10 seconds.
45?
20 seconds.
Oh, my bad.
There we go.
46, nice.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Official qualifying scores. Lane 1. No team Daniel Winkle. Trunk / pickup 3. 146.6 dB. Lane 2. Christopher Connor. Trunk / pickup 1. 127. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Official qualifying scores. Lane 1.
Oh!
Donald Benjamin. SUV / minivan 2. 146.4 dB.
Nice.
I know, right? It's good score.
You know, tilt this thing forward too.
I know I should have.
Brother.
Brother!
Okay, we are going to start the second run, last round, whatever you want to call it, of IDBL. If you want to see